Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I'm going to show you guys how to do this really pretty sparkly blue look. I had a couple fumbles along the way with this look. I wasn't sure what I was going to do and I just wound up turning it into this. So I like the final creation. It was a little bit of a rocky road to get here, so watch to find out. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm just gonna get into the video. Enjoy. So I forgot to show the palette, but I'm going in with 35i Icy Fantasy by Morphe, and I am using Deliver Shiver and blending this all over. Now I'm going in with the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going in with Brother, blending it on the corners and into the center. Back in with the Icy Fantasy palette with Into the Blue, and I'm pressing that right into the center. It's a little bit of a chalky shadow, so I'm really just gonna press that in and not do too much blending. Then I'm taking Brother again and putting it kind of like right into my crease, just a nice swooping motion like that. I'm picking up Cola in the James Charles palette and pressing this into the corner and in the inner corner, and then meeting back into the halo again, just really trying to give some depth to my crease and making my eye look super defined. Now with the fluffy brush, I'm going in and blending out that crease. I'm doing it pretty lightly because I'm getting a little bit of fallout, so I don't want to remove too much of the pigment, but I want it to be a soft blend. I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and an Anastasia flat brush and carving out a halo in the center of the eye look. I'm making it heavier towards the top and blending it out to the sides and bottom so it looks soft and pretty. Then I'm going to take the Morphe Icy Fantasy and go in with Chill Thrill on the bottom of the concealer. Then I'm going to take the color Dreamer and put it right at the top. Now I'm taking a bit of Cola and smudging it under my eye, just lightly. Now I'm popping some more Cola right into the crease and redefining that shadow. Next I'm going in with Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Spellbound. I started to realize that I do not like the little center of my eye look, so I decided sparkle will fix anything. Now for my trusty Morphe felt tip liner in ink. It's definitely one of those anxiety liner days, so it's not perfect, but it'll do. Don't forget to scale back and take a look. Now I'm going in with e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I am tired today, so I'm using a good amount. I'm using my Anastasia flat brush to clean up my line really quick. And I'm using my beauty blender to pat this out around the edges really quick. Then I'm going in with my Morphe Bacon Set Translucent Powder and just pressing a good amount into my concealer. I'm really not going too crazy as far as like trying to bake, but a good amount. Now I'm going to go in with some cream contour. I'm using the Sigma Emphasize Contour F57 brush and the Morphe contour stick in 12. And I'm just going to put the contour anywhere that I want to create some shadow. So under my cheekbones, and I'm going to do my forehead. I'm going to do my under my chin, my double chin area. I really like to chisel it out and make it look super sharp. So I'm not doing a heavy blend here. I'm just kind of getting a nice little foundation started. Notice how light I'm going in on my forehead. I really don't want a super dark forehead because mine is pretty small. So I'm just doing super, super fine strokes and then I'm gonna blend them out. Same thing for my chin. I'm just doing nice light strokes. You could barely see that they're there, so that when it's blent out, it's just gonna be a nice light shadow, but you could already see that the shadow is starting to hide and define. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible foundation in 505 and 450. It's a little dark for my skin, but my body is a little darker than the rest of, or I should say than my face and neck. So I'm going a little bit darker with my foundation today, and you'll see that it winds up working out. Now it's time to bronze using Hoola Caramel by Benefit and Sigma Edge Kabuki F87 brush. And I just took some of the bronzer and I am putting it everywhere that I put my cream contour earlier. Sigma Tapered Kabuki F86 brush is going to blend to the gods, honey. This is that moment when you start to really start feeling your look. And also check out your eyeliner. Using my KVD 40 brush and Hoola Caramel again, I am starting in the center of my nose and lightly feathering it upwards to contour my nose. I absolutely love a snatched nose, and I feel like it makes all the difference and gives you such a gorgeous glam look, so definitely make sure you do this step. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me again and just using this concealer lightly down the center of my nose to give it some highlight. I'm using Flower Pots blush in Sweet Pea, and I'm just gonna brush this on the apple of my cheeks. It's a soft, pretty pink, and I am obsessed with it. While my nose contour continues to set a little, I'm just doing an all over blend and blending the under eye out. Now that the concealer is a little tacky, I am blending it out. Notice how I'm not moving the concealer at all. I'm just lightly dabbing it in as is. And now I'm using the other side of my beauty blender, the flat side that I used my foundation, and just blending out the nose contour. I'm using a little bit of leftover powder and just blurring out the contoured look. Now I'm gonna take a brush and just blend everything out into my under eye. Using ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter, whoa, in Monster, I am putting a little on my nose and a little bit on my cheeks. Also the bridge of my nose there, don't forget that. And I'm just brushing that out as well. Next, I'm going to spray my face with Pixie Rose Glow Mist. Essence Lash Princess Mascara is going to just create a nice little foundation for me to put my lashes on. And I'm just throwing on a pair of Ardell Demi Wispies because they're classics and I love them. Now I'm going in with MAC Snow Flushed Extra Dimension Skin Finish, which is limited edition, and I'm so sorry, but I always use this highlighter. I absolutely love it. Look how gorgeous. It's like a pinky gold, and I'm just touching up over the ColourPop Monster highlighter because I want that extra pop today. Another staple of mine, I'm going in with the NYX Lingerie Push Up in French Made. I stan this color. I literally am absolutely obsessed with it. It's just the prettiest color, and I love to wear it with the liquid lipstick also. But today I'm going to do something different actually. I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Cheekies, and I am blending this from the middle out and just kind of making a really, really pretty custom color. Back in with the Essence Lash Princess, and I'm just marrying my lash to the Ardell lashes. I'm not going all the way up, just kind of touching right at the base of my lash and lightly flickering up. And it's time to let my hair down, and I'm going to style my hair and put on a cute outfit. And this is the final result. I went through a lot to get here. There were times I didn't know if this was going to come out to be a good look, but I feel like it came out really cute. I like it. I love the shade of blue, and I feel like when it's all said and done, once the liner and lashes was on, the shadow came out good, although not perfect. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and join me for my next video. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you later. Bye.